The key here, many of you have either waited in lines or driven around them. Long lines and empty pumps, the story in many places up and down the viewing area as drivers try to fill up ahead of the storm. And News Channel 5's Alyssa Hyman live at the Wawa off Belvedere and Australian in West Palm Beach. Alyssa.
Well, just to give you an idea of how long the line is here, look behind me. There's probably 30+ lines. All of these folks waiting in line, hoping to get gas. It wraps all the way around up to here at the actual gas station. And then the line's so long that the Wawa actually has employees out here directing traffic. Although these drivers, who some of them have been waiting 45 minutes just to get gas, we'll get up here to find out. The only thing left is premium.
Throughout the day, it's been bumper to bumper.
I've been waiting for about only 45 minutes right now.
And no, it's not rush hour traffic, it's the rush on fuel before the storm.
I pulled up to two gas stations. All of their pumps were bagged up already.
Lines stretching into the streets. Some drivers trying multiple gas stations.
Since yesterday, this might be my 8th or 9th maybe.
Before finally finding fuel. And when they do, chances are regular gas has already run out.
How long have you been waiting for this one?
This one I just got on the line maybe about 45 minutes, but I've been on some that you've been online for hours and then they run out of gas and it's stressful.
We are moving so slowly because of only premium gas we have right now.
We interviewed the manager of this Chevron just before noon. He ran out of regular gas at 8:30 this morning and estimated only another 2 hours before the premium would be gone too. As for his next delivery,
We just got information that most probably they will let us know after 2 o'clock.
but the deliveries are coming, just slowly. So drivers, now is not the time to panic.
Patience, yes.
And according to Governor Rick Scott, he says that they are moving as much fuel through the system as possible to help folks get the gas they need. For now, reporting live in West Palm Beach, Alyssa Hyman, WPTV News Channel 5.